It's a gorgeous display of simple and fresh ingredients with an added crunch that is sure to brighten any winter table. Elena Davis is bringing that brightness today, sharing the recipe for an Italian fennel, citrus, and pomegranate salad. Can I even eat this? It's so beautiful.
Yes.
Oh.
And the presentation is just what you want for your holiday table or anytime you're entertaining this season. The colors, the textures, the flavors, it's just all in one. A beautiful insalata.
Oh, and even more pretty when you say it. What's the base?
Okay, so there's a couple different salad options. I use some baby leaf lettuce, which I love. They're so tender. And then I also used a Italian salad mix that has a little bit of red cabbage in there or red leaf lettuce. And it's just pretty and it tastes good and I love it. You can also add some rucola. You can kind of play around with your taste on the salad mix that you choose.
And with the citrus, any orange work?
Yes, so I love cara. I love the blood oranges are so pretty and in season right now, and they add a really fun color. So mix up the oranges. If you don't have pomegranates, that's our next thing that adds a really pretty color.
Yeah.
Maybe they can be a little bit expensive right now. They're on sale everywhere because they're in season, so you just buy them whole or you can buy them pre-seeded. Use some raspberries or another kind of color like that.
A berry of some kind. I don't use fennel a lot, so help me know how to present that in a salad.
Okay, so a fennel, this is fennel.
So hello, fennel.
Yes, it is a bulb.
Hello.
You can get it at any grocery store. It tastes, have you ever tasted fennel?
Yeah, I like the taste.
Yes.
I just don't use it a lot in my recipes.
So you're just gonna cut it. I have a recipe for roasted fennel as well, but you're just gonna cut it very thin.
Like from the base
just
here?
like that. Yep, so you're gonna take the top off.
Oh, this whole top is off?
Yep, the whole top is off.
I'm asking the dumb questions today.
No,
top
just
off.
like this, and then you lay it down, you cut it in half, and then just thinly slice.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, the taste is just so delicious.
Well, it's a unique flavor as well.
It's very unique.
Yeah.
It's very Italian. So all these flavors, the orange and the fennel, and then we're getting to the hazelnuts next, is very Italian.
Did you like sugar up the hazelnuts or just?
No, but you certainly
is.
can. So hazelnuts, if you don't prefer hazelnuts, try pistachios or walnuts. You know, anything like that. And then if you have some kind of aversion to fennel, use celery, just something with a crunch.
A crunch. And I see green olives tucked in there as well.
Yes, so these are special olives. They're Castelvetrano. They're from Sicily.
I don't know what that is.
They are, that's the name of them. They're bright green and they have a very delicious, sweet taste.
Ooh,
I love them. They're my favorite olives.
All right, dressing. You're going to show us how to make the dressing.
Yes, the dressing is so easy. I just like to make it in a jar.
Okay.
And I have some freshly squeezed orange juice. You can use bottled orange juice, whatever you want. Some salt and pepper.
Yeah.
And I have some garlic. So the garlic, I actually put in quarters, and then I'm gonna take it, after I let this marinate, I'm gonna take the garlic out before I dress it, just so somebody doesn't eat a chunk of garlic.
Eat a whole.
Yes, unless you love that.
But it will absorb the flavors or it will soak in?
Yes, it will.
Okay.
And now I have sprayed this with a little bit of cooking spray, and I'm just doing my honey in here.
Okay.
And so we have a little bit of sweetness, and it'll just plop right out.
Good tip, good trick.
Yes, line that with a little bit
Why
of
put it in a spoon only to scrape it out with a spoon? No need.
Right.
What's
and
that?
here we have our mustard, our Dijon mustard. I did the same trick here.
Okay.
Fresh orange zest, which is key. And then I'm going to do my extra virgin olive oil.
Okay. So a citrus vinaigrette.
Yes, it's so delicious. And this has numbers on it, so I'm just seeing how much. I do equal parts orange juice as olive oil.
It's hitting me in waves, and it is lovely.
Yes,
it is lovely.
So good. So then I just shake it up. Normally I'd let this marinate a little bit, but so that the garlic really comes out.
Yes. But you'll dress the salad ahead of time.
You just open up. Yep. So you just dress it. I like to use the shallow dish because it's so pretty.
Yes.
There's more room for presentation.
No
you
bowl
can cut
needed.
some oranges.
Spread it out.
Yes. And if you want, you can toss the salad beforehand and then put it on.
Oh, Elena, thank you so much.
Here you go.
That's so good. That is so, I keep reaching for the word lovely because really the citrus infusion, especially this time of year when it's so cold and often murky outside.
So fresh.
Yes, this is counter programming, as we say in TV. This is what you want to eat and look at. Where can we get this recipe and other holiday inspired recipes from you?
CucinaByElena.com. All my recipes, subscribe there, get all the new recipes, and then Instagram. I show you how to make everything. Great place to DM me and connect with me.
Fun plans for 2023? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm sure more recipes coming,
Yes,
right?
lots,
Okay.
lots.
All right. We'll meet you there and post links to her website and her Instagram on our website so you can easily connect. Merry Christmas, friends.
You too.
Thank you for sharing your heart and your food with us, which
Thank
is
you.
part of that heart.